a great choice today with the 2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, splash guards, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.